Today I will introduce just some parts of our parts. First, I will introduce the DELPHI injector and its spare parts. And I also will introduce the EUI injector and its parts. It's for the valve actuator. I also introduce some the caterpillar injector and its spare parts. CUMMINS M11 injector and spare parts. First, I will introduce the DELPHI injector. About DELPHI injector, we can supply the complete injector and the control valve and the nozzle. About the injector, we don't produce it. We only can supply the original one. If you have the need of this injector, you can show me the model number. And you can tell me the model number, not the engine number or picture. If you give me the picture or model number or engine number, it cannot work. This is our package, original package. About the control valve, according the different injector, we can supply the three types control valve: 3908, 621C, 622B, 625C. This is the old number. We also have the new number. The number starts at 28239294, and this is the new number. We also, besides of the control valve, we also can supply the nozzle. The nozzle is from the China. If you want the repair kit like the picture, it's the original.